Hello everyone, I am Gajanan Namdev Savdi. Today's date is 20 December 2021. Today's our discussion topic is life cycle of objects in Java. The Java is basically object-oriented programming language. That means in Java everything is an object. The object is a real world entity. That means the object has a state and behaviors. The object has three characteristics. First one is state, second behavior, third one is identity. The object is a logical as well as physical entity. The example of object is book, pen, car, chair, etc. So let's see the what is life cycle of object in Java. There before we can see the why we can know about the why we can see the life cycle of objects in Java. We know the our computer system this has a limited memory reservoir. That means it is limited. So as a developer, we can take responsibility to we can use the less amount of memory and work efficiently. So this can be possible by way is only way is understand the memory allocation management in Java. In our program there are thousand number of objects are present, and this can be occupy the more memory space. These all objects cannot be actively at a time because it has a own life cycle, its own life cycle. So let's see the what is life cycle of objects in Java. The life cycle of object means the life of object between the creation and its dead or end of the objects. There are three phases of life cycle of object. First one is creation, second one is initialization, third one is destruction. So let's see the how to object it create. When we can create the create the class file on disk. When there is we can create the object. When we can create the object, there is required the memory space. This can be provided the JVM in heap memory area, and also the reference variable can be stored in the stack memory area in Java. So when this can be object can be created by using the five way. First one is using new keyword, second one is variable or instant, third one is by method, fourth one is clone, and fifth one is by copy constructor. So let's see using the new keyword. When we using the new keyword, there can be stored in a heap memory area. When we can be remove the reference variable, then object is dead. That means it cannot be usable, and this called as garbage. And this can be moved. This unusable or dead object can be moved into the garbage collector. The garbage collector can be automatically called in Java. The garbage we cannot be give the instruction. We can give only hint to the garbage construction in Java. So in Java we can do not mess with the garbage collection for the memory management. So here is we can see the when we can remove the instance reference variable of objects, then it can be dead. So this the life of objects called in Java. So This is all about the life cycle of object in Java. Thank you.